Let's break it down where it's more than okay to open futures trades for Ondo. Because for the spot, guys, it's up to you. Accumulate now or wait the sweep of the 8 cents. I mark personally for myself. Now I'm not touch any tokens for the spot position. I'm just speculating futures. And this is the oldest charts since this token listed on the max January 24. So if the Ondo will dump to 8 cents, I'll definitely gonna grab some bags of Ondo for the long run, because I truly believe that one day the Ondo will hit the new all-time high. So it's just a matter of time with tokenized assets and everything what's going on now with real world asset sector. I think that Ondo will be in the top gainers when institutional, start tokenize the assets, the stocks, the goods around, and also will be like one of the most popular platform for that. So the 8 cents is just my entry for the spot. If I get a chance, I get a luck to buy this token at this point. For the futures, guys, of course, we can speculate intraday or the swing trades. And now we consolidate. So we form the low at 20 cents. 20 cents, 20 cents, 20. Of course, guys, we gotta, like always, like usually, we get a chance, drop lower. So if you don't want to try open trade now, you just better wait at this entry, because I don't like before the weekends. I don't like this liquidity pools 1, 2, 3 weeks on a daily. I don't like it. We didn't drop and didn't sweep the previous day low. Also, it's like a reason why we can drop a little bit lower. But after that, I wish to see. So let's say this is a liquidation. I wish to see something like this one and not dump to this area. So try to open long position. We can try it around here. Short. Let's here, this one. This is a long. So stop loss like 12%. Of course, it's kind of big one. That's why we can go to the 12 time frame. And well, this is like a other block. Yes, 12%. It's kind of big one. That's why better reduce in this case the size of the position. So this is a way. I guess we're gonna sweep 24. 23, 32, and around 22 would be good the entry. With the targets, guys, it's a test. The first trouble area, it's a test of 200 EMA on a 12 time frame, on a daily time frame here. 200 EMA on a 12 time frame, but 100 EMA on daily. I guess this is what we will see, something like this one. Retest, rejection, and if we hold the line and keep the uptrend structure, we can test even the 52 cents, for example, by end of the May. And after that, drop it down again this summer. Form some like actual lows and hit the new, not the new all-time high. I don't think so. The Ondo will hit the new all-time high this year, but the new high in 2026 in autumn. So this is a way. So this is a local position for the Ondo for the future. So let's hide by the way, let's check the weekly time frame. The EMAs here, the test of 50 EMA is 60 cents and the 100 EMA on a weekly is 74. So of course, guys, now Ondo, if you believe in this project, of course, it's more bullish than bearish. But I skip for the spot. I'm skip for the spot. I'm waiting. I'm waiting the lower. If not, I'm more than okay, and we'll be happy for the people who get a chance to hop into Ondo now. I explained to you, we trade under fundamental value. So usually it's extra bullish. Yes, we can consolidate long-term period under this level, but it's usually more bullish than bearish. So time to sell Ondo was here. Now it's fundamental value of this token at 41 cents. Take profit, it's 0.5 level fee, $1.11. So this is a way what I can think we're gonna hit this year. So I think, yes, I can be absolutely wrong, guys. I just share my ideas, based on what's going on now in the world. I guess we can see that $1.11, maybe $1.35. And yes, it can be maybe the top for this run. So this year, and maybe in 2029, 28, we're going to hit the new all-time high. Who knows? ADZ direction, guys. This is extremely accumulation zone on the weekly. So the whales accumulate. Whales definitely accumulate. And they accumulate, I guess, for the long run, not just for a temporary speculation. I think it's for investment. Buy line on the daily, it's 21 11. So this is what I would like to see for the futures. So this could be the better entry for the futures. ADZ, it's neutral on the daily. Some accumulation was here on the daily on direction indicator. And finally, first time in history, we saw that some type of accumulation based on direction indicator. All right, it's positive. A lot of positive signals now. But here, this is what I would like to see if we would like to reduce the risk. Here, buy line on a daily, it's 21.10. And the stop loss, yes, we can add under this extremum. It's 1971, so 12% with second leverage against the take profits against 200. So 12 against 200 with the second leverage, there will be not even a big fee on exchanges. So yes, it makes sense to try it. Anyway, we have to be ready for the stop losses. It's more than okay, guys. Daily, it's a hopium on a daily based on market mode indicator, money power, no money inflow yet. So just wait. Weekly time frame, this is what I told you about investment. So here, capitulation since October 75. We never seen this before. That's why it's good time for like opportunity to invest in this asset or the spot. So accumulate step by step. This is money inflow. So since November 75, time to time, the whales accumulated. Monthly, 1, 2, 3 months in a row, accumulation by whales. Based on the money power indicator. Trade on, no data on the weekly, on the monthly. Weekly, take profit signal. We saw it here in January. Signal to buy was confirmed last week. So congrats if you track it. We just bounced a little bit, just a little bit like 17%. It's not a big deal. So I hope we're gonna hold the line, but if not, yes, we can form the retraced pattern. Play it like this one, and we can form another low here. In this case, yes, we get a stop loss, retraced pattern, and only after that the reversal. So everything mostly now depends on the Donald Trump and the situation in Iran. I don't think so. We're going to hold this trend line. And also, I don't think so. This is like a wedge because the side of this wedge should be here. Should be 15. But on some extraordinary news, yes, it's more than real. See, that's why, guys, always use the stop losses. Don't gamble without a stop losses because especially with the cross margin. I guess the October 10 teach everybody. So the take profit I showed, the money power I showed, to trade on the daily. There was no signal to sell. So last one was buy, recommendation, close position. No signal to sell. 12 time frame, no signal to sell. 4 hour time frame, let's add alert to take profits from the sales. So we need to close all sales on 4 hour time frame. For me, it's going to be the confirmation for the futures long. Now I'm on a sideline. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in the comment what you think about Ondo. Where's your entry for this futures position? If you like to trade as my customer said, what I showed in this video, just write in the DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.